Hola, it's Liang. I am an interdisciplinary artist and designer, originally from Taiwan, and now I'm on the artist residency here in Barcelona. This piece of performance was inspired by one moment a few months ago when I was pouring tea into a bottle. I was trying very carefully not to spill any tea, but I just couldn't. I still wasted some tea down to the drain. This frustration lingered for a few days, and I think that's the time when I realized that I wanted to find a channel to express this sense of loss or sense of frustration of losing something in our everyday life, no matter what that is. Yeah, I think my fascination for vessels comes from my background in product design. The most primitive vessels for human beings are actually just our palms. It's like so universal, the vessel as an artifact, that appeals to me. Like this, so ordinary, so common, so everywhere. You can even call it like boringness. That is something that attracts me. I wanted a set of vessels that share same volume and in a very minimal way, from the shape of a tray to the shape of a tube. I want the liquid to flow like smoothly. I always work with objects before. I usually just present them, but this time, considering I wanted to express this sense of almost like labor and this sense of repetitive action. So I thought performance would be the best way to deliver this idea.